Okay, we're here again with the Hoover convertible. I'm going to be polishing this rusty plate here. So, got a little sock here and some diamond bright truck polish. The lid is kind of clogged on it, but we gotta shake it up a little bit, and we're probably going to have to take the front top of it off. So, gonna pour a little bit onto this sock. Well, that's not really a little bit, but it'll have to work. I'm powerful late for something almost, but I'm gonna rub it on the base plate and the wheels, the wheel shafts and all that. And we got a little on the label sticker. It's no biggie. Now we're gonna polish the base plate on here, down here, and all that. Now, one thing I did notice about this Hoover is, well, when I got it, it was in sort of bad condition, and the belt was pretty badly stretched out. And another thing that I noticed that I never noticed before is that it does have a little thing for it says use type A bags only. I'll show you that in a minute, but you notice how much cleaner that looks now that I wiped it down with Diamond Bright. And it's because Diamond Bright has kind of like a little bit of like a chemical in it that eats away at old tarnish and mildew and all that. And if you want to polish something like a Kirby or Old Royal, stuff like that, something that's getting sort of tarnished from weather and from age, I would totally recommend getting some Diamond Bright and stuff like that. And just for a note, and something I didn't notice before I put in a Kirby bag is that well, it has a label on the bag fitter. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says use only Hoover type A filter bags. But that's just something that I didn't notice before I put in a Kirby bag. But there we have it. Restored and polished Hoover bottom and base plate.